Hey everyone, I got a new video. I am still have a new silk press and I want to try this thing. I bought it off of Amazon and I got some little satin scrunchies that came with it, and my hair is kind of doing this weird thing because sometimes I put it in a ponytail and I'm not feeling it. So I want to try this out on my hair, and my hair usually holds with water or oil, or a mousse, and honestly I don't want to use any of that in my hair, and I feel like it might be a fail if I try this, but I really want to try this. So I guess here we go. So I heard this should go in the front because it'll get pushed back as you put it on. I don't know what I'm doing. And from my understanding, if you grab small pieces, you'll have more curls. This is a struggle. Let's try this again. This might be a fail. going to be a fail. Number one, because I did not put any hair products in it because I'm afraid to, because this silk press is still fresh. So I don't want to use any hair products. I just want some curls without having to put heat in it. That's all. That's all. In the front, but it's scooting back. Alright, well, I'm gonna get a bonnet and a turban and see how this turns out tomorrow. I look like I got like little, was it Shirley Temple, like, or whatever, like ponytails? Okay. Try to go to sleep like this. Let's see how it's looking in the morning.